So today my buddy asked me, on a scale from 1 to Cabo, how far will the Lancia make it realistically? Well, it's not going to start on fire because I have a fire extinguisher on hand. The biggest holdup right now, new wheel bearings. Have to rebuild that CV joint, but there's no play. It just needs new grease, new boots. That's all good to go. My buddy Keith wired in an auxiliary fuel pump for me. And we're getting there. Rebuilt the carburetor, valve cover gasket's done, thermostat gasket done. The new wires are done. I'm not doing the condensers or the points, fuck that. Spark plugs. Spark plugs are submerged, so I figured, they're fine. Fuel tank, replaced that one, replaced all the leaky fuel lines and the auxiliary fuel tank, which is just a jerry can with a extra pump and hose going into it. And that's rebuilt CV joint. Well, one of them. I still need to get the other one there, but getting there. Steering gear boots, I ain't gonna do that, and the rest of that stuff really isn't that important. As far as electrical goes, well, I might be using hand signals.